Hello everyone and welcome to Plaisir's Do-It-Yourself Flower channel. Today, our little star, Chai, has decided to be right in the middle of the table, but we don't mind because we have lots of room on the table. And I just want to show you a few things we're going to do with carnations. Carnations are not getting the best rap in the flower industry. A lot of people think of them as cheap flowers, but they're really not. They're tinted and hand dyed, some of them, so they become extremely costly. The industry has reinvented this beautiful flower, this traditional flower, by tinting them and by hand painting them. But today I'm going to show you the natural carnation as they have grown on the fields and show you a couple of things that you can do with them. Carnations are really a versatile flower, especially for events outdoors. Now with summer being here, you can use carnations very easily and comfortably outside for your day parties, your pool parties, barbecues, or whatever important events that you may have, maybe an outdoor wedding. They will last very, very nicely in the heat, no problem. It's a very reliable flower. We have on a weekly basis, we provide an elegant restaurant here in Dubai with weekly flowers. So it's also a very, very good option for restaurants where the flower has to last for a week. This is only a few of the vases as samples I've put here that we do for the restaurant. There's about 40 of these that we have to do, and I want to show you how to make your carnation come alive if you've received them or if you've bought them already as a bud. So this is how a fresh carnation will be presented in a supermarket or in your florist. And in order for you to get it to be open and look nice in your vase, all you need to do is gently caress them in an outward motion like this. And at the same time, you need to massage their neck. Yeah? Just like that. Massage the neck with one hand and with an outward motion, caress them until they become big. Don't worry, you're not going to hurt them. Carnations are very resilient, and this is your final result. So you went from this to this. Quite a difference, no? And that's all you had to do. It was just pet them, caress them, massage the neck, and they just open right up for you. And look at this particular double color carnation. This is not tinted. It's not man-made. This is nature. Look at how gorgeous it is. It's kind of a burgundy wine color mixed with olive. Absolutely beautiful. It's just amazes me what nature can do. And by the way, carnations are very easy to break from their knuckle. There. I'm going to break this from the knuckle because for these vases we don't need a tall arrangement, we need a short arrangement. Another thing I want to show you is that when you're doing an event in your backyard or outdoors somewhere, you need to look for flowers that would be okay with heat, that would last the day for you. So carnation is definitely a great idea. Hypericum, they come in red, green, peach, and pink. That's a great strong flower. And also astomerias. Astomerias are long-lasting. That's why one of the reasons we use them for restaurants, because they will last a week, no problem. And the darker your astomeria, the more they will last. But the white will also be fine. For 5-6 days, they'll be fine. So putting these next to the peach carnation, and a little hypericum, that's just enough for a little bud vase like this, and it'll be very pretty. I'm going to also show you one with the dark carnation and hypericum, very pretty. And you can use maybe, like we do, a little white one just to liven it up. I'm going to show you one in the vase. And remember, in restaurants, when you're sitting at the table, you want to make sure that you can see the person across from you. So you don't want your flowers to be obstructing the view. Voila, just a little one. Just a little bud vase, and we have to do over 40 of these, so it's quite therapeutic to sit here and open up carnations half the day. Let's open this one up. The other thing I really like to do with a carnation, again, floristry is just trial and error. Sometimes I sit and, as I'm working, I kind of think, oh, what if I did this? Let's see what that looks like. And sometimes it looks great, and sometimes it doesn't. But this one I quite like. You pluck the center of the carnation, and it looks like a completely different flower. I'll show you how. Take the center out. Takes a few minutes. And I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the end result. You just pluck the center, you can see the green inside, and it looks like a little pansy. Very cute. I like it. Something maybe most people haven't seen with the carnations, and they're gonna wonder, what kind of flower is this? So here's another one. Let's do for the restaurant. One. And then an astomeria. And then a hypericum. Super cute, super delicate for a little table for two or table for four in a restaurant setting, and that would last them the whole week. If you enjoyed this video on carnations, please click on that like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment below. Let us know if you've used carnations or astomerias or hypericum for your next event and how it turned out. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Jay. Say bye-bye, Jay. Oh, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.